Ever wonder how solar energy is being converted to electricity to power a house? There is a lot of energy coming from the sun. It is such a waste if we are not able to use it. There must be a way to do it. Let's find out how by watching this video. In order to harvest electric power from the sun, there are three most important components. 1. We need the sunlight. At night the energy is not available. 2. We need a photovoltaic panel. Photovoltaic or PV is a device that converts the energy within the solar radiation into electricity. It is made of two different materials. The details will not be explained here. 3. We need an inverter to convert DC power to AC power. An inverter is a power electronic devices that transform the electricity from DC to usable AC. We will cover specifically on how the inverter works in another video. A few steps are involved in the energy conversion process. First, solar radiation contains energy in the form of light. This light, which contains photon, hit the Earth's surface after traveling very far through space. Then, the PV panel converts photon energy from the sunlight to free electrons that will flow if there is a path created between its positive and negative terminals. The flow of electrons creates DC electric power. Finally, the inverter converts DC electric power generated by solar to usable AC electric power. This power will be sent to a house or the grid. There are two types of PV system that can be used to power a house depending on the existing electric infrastructure. The choices depend on the location where the house is located. If the house is located in an urban area, normally it is already connected to the electricity infrastructure. In this case, a grid-connected PV system will be used. The PV system in this case works parallel with the existing power grid. If the house is remotely located, for example, close to the beach, which is located in the rural area, most probably there is no electric infrastructure exist. In this case, an off-grid PV system will be used. For this off-grid system, normally it will be integrated with the diesel generator or a battery. If, however, even in a remote area, if the electricity infrastructure already exists, the grid-connected PV system will be deployed. Normally, before deciding which types of PV to be chosen, a technical economic analysis is carried out. Grid-connected solar PV system. The grid-connected PV system typically comprises multiple PV panels and inverters. The system is simple and can be installed very fast. The installation, however, should be carried out by professional electrician. The PV system in this case has a connection to the electricity grid. It will deliver the electric power generated to the house. Any extra electricity will be fed to the grid. At night time, however, as there is no sunlight, there is no electric power generated by PV. During this time, all the needed electricity is extracted from the grid. As the system works parallel with the power grid, before the installation, approval is normally required from the local electric utility company. Off-grid solar PV system. The off-grid PV system is typically quite similar to the grid-connected. It comprises multiple PV panels and inverters. The inverter is, however, using a different kind of control algorithm. The system is also simple and can be installed quickly. The installation, however, should be carried out by a professional electrician. As an isolated system, it normally has a battery connected to act as energy storage. Any extra electricity will be stored in the battery. In certain cases, a diesel generator is also attached to the system to add more reliability. At night time, when there is no electric power generated by PV, the energy stored in the battery will be released to provide power to the house. Normally, before deciding the size of each component, a technical economic analysis is carried out by a qualified engineer. Thank you for watching this video to the end. We hope you enjoy and find the video educational. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe so you will not miss any future video from us.